Here we take a look at interesting facts about the Savannah Cat breed. A Savannah Cat is a cross between a domestic cat and a serval that is a wild African cat. Here is a serval kitten enjoying some milk. The International Cat Association accepted Savannah Cats as a new registered breed as of May of 2012. The Savannah Cat breed has held the world record for the tallest living domestic cat for the past 3 titles. A Savannah Cat named Trouble held the prior record for tallest domestic cat from 2011 to 2016. Early generation Savannah Cats typically weigh in the range of 8 to 12 pounds. Larger Savannah Cats are typically F1 or F2 males. F1 generation Savannahs are difficult to produce due to the difference in gestation periods between the serval and a domestic cat. The Tika breed standard accepts only spotted patterns, as that is the only pattern found on an African serval cat. Savannah Cats are known for their loyalty, and they will often follow their owners around the house. Like many cat breeds, Savannahs are considered playful and athletic. Many Savannahs are known to be very vocal cats.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Many Savannahs do not fear water, and they love to play in water. Savannahs are great jumpers, and some Savannahs can leap up to 8 feet in the air. Here is a Savannah named Ruby demonstrating their leaping ability. The laws governing ownership of Savannah cats varies by state. Like many cat breeds, Savannahs are good about self-grooming. Let us know in the comments if you are a fan or an owner of a Savannah cat.